In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the event ID from a published Google Calendar appointment link. To begin, open Google Calendar in Chrome and go to the calendar grid where your scheduled appointments are displayed. Take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct date and time, then click directly on the specific appointment entry card you want to work with. This will open the small event pop-up window, where you can view quick details about that appointment before accessing more options. Once that pop-up appears, look for the three vertical dots icon. This is the options menu for the event. Click it to reveal the available actions, and then select Publish Event. Google Calendar will open a publishing window that gives you sharing options for that specific event. This is useful when you need a direct event reference, and in this case, it's also where you'll find the identifier you're looking for. Inside the Publish Event window, you'll see a section containing either a copy link field, a raw HTML block, or both, depending on how the publishing options are displayed. What you need here is not the full link itself, but a specific part of it. Carefully locate the text string that appears after the parameter label ID. This value is usually a unique alpha-numeric string embedded within the URL or code block. When you find EIDIs, extract only the unique text that follows it. Be careful not to include extra symbols, spaces, or surrounding code unless you specifically need the full link for another purpose. If you're copying from the HTML block, it can help to paste the content into a plain text editor first, so it's easier to read and isolate the correct section. If you're using the copy link text instead, scan through the URL until you see EID and then copy the value that comes immediately after it. This unique string is the event-specific identifier contained in the published link, so accuracy matters. Double check what you copied to make sure it matches exactly and hasn't been cut off. That's it. But by opening the event, using the options menu to publish it, and locating the value after EIDE in the link or HTML block, you can quickly extract the unique alphanumeric event string from Google Calendar.